used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain.
Alright, I'm going to show y'all how we prepare eggs before a camping trip. Cool little hack that I saw in another YouTube video was to crack all your eggs and then put them into a bottle. I really like these bottles right here. Get them from HEB. They have these drinks in them. Usually wash them up real good. I've gotten 14 eggs in them before, got up to about here, but I find that we wind up having too many leftover eggs. I'm going to aim for 10 eggs today. So we'll crack them, scramble them all up, use the funnel to put them into the bottle right there, season them how I like. Oh, I forgot the milk. Poof, there's milk. Alright, so get them all ready, get them scrambled up, and put them into the bottle, and then it's ready for camping. Just stick it in the fridge like that, and then when we go camping, I'm just able to pull it out, pour it into whatever pan we're using to cook it. And it's a lot easier than having to try to protect your eggs while you're traveling. And it's one less step. Because eggshells have a lot of bacteria on them. And so you oftentimes want to make sure to wash your hands and sanitize your hands after touching the eggshell. So this removes that one extra step that you need to do while you're camping.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained.
Now for the dainty one. Last time I tried this, I spilled eggs all over the counter.
You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me.
There you have it. We got our eggs all ready to go. Normally I use the extra large eggs, but right now with the quarantine going on, I can only get the large eggs. So 10 eggs, and it's about halfway full in there. So since we can't go anywhere, I just wanted to do this demo so y'all can see how we prepare eggs for camping. I'll just put that in the fridge and use it in the morning. Alright, y'all. Finding things to do while quarantined is fun. Well, we have to get creative, right? So, I made some eggs. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to get more of our videos, please click the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to be notified when we have more videos come out, click the little bell next to the subscribe button. And leave us a like. And leave us comments. Oh, it sounds cheesy saying that stuff. Getting new to this YouTube stuff. Hopefully we'll be able to do some more camping in the future. I've got some ideas. I've got some ways to go camping without breaking rules. So we'll see. Happy camping, y'all.